Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon, class 6. Yesterday we discussed the aim and new terms of this chapter like electric bulb, circuit, diagram, conductors, insulators, switch. So all these terms we are going to use in this chapter, electricity and circuits. This is very interesting chapter because you all are aware about the electricity. When we switch on our fans, tube lights, they work. And when we switch it off, they stop working. So what is the reason behind it when we switch it on and when we switch it off? So the reason is that when we switch on, the circuit gets complete. Okay. The circuit gets complete and the electricity flows through that circuit. And on the other hand, when we switch it off, when you switch off, then what happens? The connection gets cut and all lights and fans, they stop working, or any of the electrical appliances. So we need to read in detail what is present in the electrical circuits exactly. So we are starting with a very smaller one part, that is an electric cell. Okay, what is an electric cell and how we can make the different circuits? So simplest circuit, if you want to make, you need two or three things. One is a cell, and cell, wires, and bulb to glow. Bulb, very smaller bulb, maybe somebody's the bulb is there in somebody's home. Bulb on or an LED, any small LED can be there. It's available of 5 rupees in the market. You can purchase. So simplest.
No, ma'am, it is of 15. I do some
Okay, no problem.
experiments in.
So you can make your own electric circuit by using a cell or a battery. So let's discuss first of all that how electricity reaches to our home. Have you thought sometime? You must have seen the electrical wires, how electricity reaches to our home. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want each one of you to frame this extra question. Electricity make it possible to reach our home, roads, offices, markets, factories. How this is reaches to our homes? A power station provides us with electricity. Okay. So who is responsible for providing the electricity? That is the power station. Power station gives electricity to each one. Roads ki, you know, that are the street lights are there, offices, markets, factories after the sunset. So kindly write down, mark this line. And after that, we are going to study about electric cell. That what does electric cell exactly means? Yes, Avni Agarwal, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. We use electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. For example, we use electricity to separate pumps.
But from electric cell, you have to read. Start reading from electric cell.
Okay, ma'am. Electricity to the bulb in a torch is provided by the electric cell. Electric cells are also used in alarm clocks, wristwatches, transistor radios, cameras, and many other devices.
Your voice is
Have
less,
you-
Avni. Kindly underline where electric cells are used. Underline this. Yes, continue, beta. Continue, Avni.
Okay, ma'am. How you ever carefully looked at an electric cell? You might have noticed that it has a small metal cap on one side and a metal disc on the other side. Figure 12.1. Did you notice a positive plus sign and a negative minus sign marked on the electric cell? The metal cup is the positive terminal of electric cell. The metal disc is the negative terminal. All electric cells have two terminals, a positive terminal and negative terminal.
Okay,
An
beta, thank
electric
you.
cell.
Okay. I want everyone to underline. I think you have seen the electric cell. One is one on one side, there is a metal cap, and on the other side, there is a metal disc. So the side with the metal cap is a positive end, and the side with the metal disc, that is a negative end. So what is the function of electric cell? Yes, Ridhima, continue.
An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. When the chemicals in the electric cell are used up, the electric cell stops producing electricity. The electric cell then has to be replaced with a new one. A torch bulb has an outer case of glass that is fixed on a metallic base, figure 12.2a. What is inside the glass case of the bulb?
Okay, thank you, Ridhima. So children, what is present inside the electric cell? What is present inside?
I can't guess.
Electric cell. I'm asking what is present inside the electric cell, which stop working after a few months. What is present inside the cell?
What is the meaning of terminal?
Terminal are the ends, beta, where which their electricity is present, and we can join that.
Okay, ma'am.
So tell me,
Ma'am,
beta.
inside an electric cell, there are chemicals that produce electricity.
Yes, chemicals are there inside the cell which produces the electricity. And what happens when that chemicals get exhausted? When the chemicals get exhaust, what happens? It stops working. You might have seen the cells of remote, the cells that you put in the clocks that stop working after some days or after
Yes,
some
ma'am.
months. Why that happens? Because the chemicals present in that is exhausted totally. And we have to replace that cell. Am I clear, children? So about cell, there are two terminals and chemicals are present inside it to produce the electricity. After that, let's talk about the torch, bulb of a torch. So it has again two terminals. Kindly see its terminal. One terminal is on the top of this metallic cap and other terminal is at the end of the metallic cap. So kindly see to it. It's very important because sometimes what happens? This is a terminal. And in this case, these are the two terminals, as in the case of a cell. It has also two terminals. When with the help of these two terminals, we can attach a cell with the bulb. Okay. Now next, what glows inside a torch or in the bulb? What glows inside? You must have seen a thin wire present here. This is a thin wire inside the bulb. And what that wire is known as? Yes, Charvi, continue reading from the second paragraph. The thin wire.
The thin wire that gives off light is called the filament of the bulb. The filament is fixed to two thicker wires which also provide support to it, as shown in figure 12.2. B. One of these thick wires is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb, figure 12.2b. The other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. These two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. The electric bulb used at home also have a similar design. Thus, the both the electric cell and the bulb have two terminals each. Why do they have these two terminals?
Okay, beta, thank you.
12.
So as you have seen that how bulb has two terminals and that two terminals are connected with the cell. Okay, these are the two terminals. And the metallic case is there. It is having the two terminals. So children, there is a precautions you have to take. Never join the two terminals of the cell without connecting them through a switch or a device like a bulb. Okay. If you are using the cells continuously, they may stop working, the chemicals present inside it. Okay. Next comes bulb connected to an electric cell. Yes, Tanishq, continue this paragraph. Rest, then I'll tell you who has to read. A bulb connected to an electric cell. Now see how you need to connect a bulb.
Yes, ma'am. Let us try to make an electric bulb light up using an electric cell. How do we do that? Activity 2. Take 4 lengths of electric wire with differently colored plastic coverings. Remove a little of the plastic covering from each length of wire at the ends. This would expose the metal wires at the ends of each length. Fix the exposed parts of 2 wires to the cell and the other 2 of the bulb as shown in figure 12.3 and 12.4.
Okay, beta, thank you. So children, you need to fix the 2 wires on the 2 different terminals as shown in figure 12.3. And you may use take the help of a rubber band. In the same way, in figure 12.4, there are 2 terminals of the bulb also, and fix the wire there also. Okay, next, Laksh Jindal, continue. Laksh, you can stick the wire to the bulb.
मेरी क्लास के बीच में नारियल पकड़ा दिया.
Yes.
Let us can stick the wire to the bulb with the tape used by electricians. Use rubber band or tape to fix the wire to the cell. Now connect the wire fixed to the bulb with those attached to the cell in 6 different ways, as have been shown in figure 12.5. A to F. For each arrangement, find out whether the bulb glow or not. Write yes or no for each arrangement in your notebook.
Okay,
Now
beta.
carefully-
Okay, thank you, Laksh. So children, you need to set up a different arrangement for it, and you have to see whether it is working or not. Okay, so different arrangements we had made here. So we have to see that whether it is working or not, whether the this bulb is glowing or not. Yes, Prapti Agarwal, continue.
Yes. Now, carefully look at the arrangements in which the bulb glows. Compare these with those in which the bulb does not glow. Can you find the reason for the difference? Keep the tip of your pencil on the wire near one terminal of the electric cell. For the arrangement in figure 12.5, move the pencil along the wire all the way to the bulb. Now, from the other terminal of the bulb, move along the other wire connected to the cell. Repeat this exercise for all the other arrangements in figure 12.5. Did the bulb glow for the arrangements in which you could not move the pencil from one terminal to other?
Okay, beta, thank you so much. Next is okay, Chehek, I have seen your diagram. Very good. Beautifully, you have drawn the diagram. Good. So in this paragraph, it has been told regarding the terminals that we need to check all the terminals when the bulb is glowing or where the bulb is not glowing. Okay. So children, next we'll talk about the electrical circuits. So yesterday we had read the definition of electric circuit, that it is a complete path which is provided by the that electric current to flow. If the path will complete, only then the electric current can flow. Otherwise, the electric current can't flow through it. Yes, Harsh or Bhuvi Tandon can read. Yes, Harsh. But better you need to switch on the camera for it.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
In an electric circuit, the direction of a current is taken to be from the positive to the negative terminal of the electric cell as shown in figure 12.6. When the
Beta,
terminals,
you have to read from here 12.3 an electric circuit.
yes ma'am. In activity 2, you connected one terminal of the electric cell to the other terminal through wires passing to and from the electric bulb. Note that in the arrangement shown in figure 12.5 A and F, the two terminals of the electric cell were connected to the two terminals of the bulb. Such an arrangement is an example of an electric circuit. The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass, current to flow between two terminals of the electric cell. The bulb glows only when the current flows through the circuit. In an
Okay.
electric,
Bas, okay, beta, thank you. So kindly underline the definition of electric circuit. What does it mean? The electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to pass through between the two terminals of the electric cell. Okay. And you know, the bulb glows only when the current flows through the circuit. As I had told you earlier, the current will flow when you switch on. The bulb will glow only if the current is flowing through it. Otherwise, the bulb will not glow. Am I clear? Yes, Kavya, continue with the next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. Terminals of the bulb are connected with that of the electric cell by wires. The current passes through the filament of the bulb. This makes the bulb glow. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell.
Okay.
This
The
may
bulb will
happen
not, beta, okay, thank you. The bulb will not glow if the connection is wrong, and the bulb will not glow if the bulb is fused. So two different ways are there, that or two different cases. And electric bulb may fuse due to many of the reasons. One reason that is kindly underlined better, that one reason is that the bulb may be fused due to its filament. A filament is broken, and if filament is broken, it means the path is incomplete. Okay, the path is incomplete. To till here, children, electric circuit rest part will continue tomorrow.